My name's Chad Sinclair. I'm the owner of CS Welding. Of course, we're moving material every day. It's all day with the forklifts for sure. We start erecting structural steel. You're working at heights, right? We're 60, 70, 120 feet in the air. We started buying our own equipment through a guy just north of Edmonton, and he actually recommended United Rentals as one of the shops to go to. I know I can phone him, I can shoot him an email and be like, hey, we're having an issue here. Can you help me out? And usually, yeah, they're there for you that day or the next day. The mechanics that are there are phenomenal. It's not like, well, we think it might be this, it might be that. No, they've got an answer for what is wrong with your piece of equipment, and that's what we like. I can't do it. For one, I don't have time, because generally I'm not there. We've got too many jobs on the go, and I wouldn't expect one of my welders to, go pull wrenches out of the C-cans and try and fix a piece of equipment and then fix it wrong, right? Or make it worse. But yeah, it's pretty well rule of thumb. We get done a job or we get close to that 1 year mark and we're backhauling that piece of equipment to CES for recertification and a full service, right? United Rentals Customer Equipment Solutions is the right choice for us. It saves us a lot of downtime. The equipment, when it comes back, is fixed, it's operational, and it's always safe for my guys, safe for our crews to run. And that's the reason why we use CES.